Hey y'all, welcome back to the Rushing Family channel. We are back with another video, and today we are doing our first video for the Cooking with the Rushing series. We got a lot of great feedback and people want to know what we're cooking at home with our family and for different events. So today we're gonna start with cooking party pinwheels. They are so good, you guys. They're really a good appetizer for different events like baby showers, parties, and things like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before we start, make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe so you won't miss any of these cooking ideas that we're going to be bringing to you. All right, so this is what you're going to need when you are making your party pinwheels. So you're gonna need your green onions, about 2 of these, 2 or 3 of these minced will absolutely do. You're gonna need half of your green bell pepper, half of your red bell pepper, half of your yellow pepper. You're gonna need about half a cup of olives. Make sure that you chop them on down. You're gonna need about 1 ounce of sharp cheddar cheese or regular cheddar cheese. It's your choice. You're gonna need about 1 ounce of the ranch fiesta dip, which makes it really good. If you don't see fiesta in the store, you can definitely choose whatever ranch dressing you like your pinwheels to taste like. You're gonna need 2 packs of cream cheese. You're gonna need a half a pound of pepperoni slices, half pound of salami slices, half pound of turkey breast, and you're also gonna need your wraps. So we're using a variety of wraps based on what we have left over in our kitchen. So we have the jalapeno cheddar ones. We also have the regular wheat wraps, and then we have the spinach wrap. So it's totally your choice, whatever wraps you want to use. And you'll also need some foil so that you can wrap your party pinwheels inside of them so they can set inside the refrigerator. All right, let's get started. All right, so now that you're done chopping up all of your vegetables, you want to add some cheese. You can either sprinkle the cheese on, or you can add the cheese in right with the vegetables. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all of the vegetables and the cheese inside a bowl, and we're going to mix it up. So now we have our meats that you can see. We have salami, we have pepperoni, and we also have turkey breast. And we're gonna chop up the meat so we can put them into the party wheels. All right, so after you are done chopping up your vegetables and you're done chopping up your meats, you then want to take a bowl, put your cream cheese inside like so. You also want to add your fiesta mix. And you can add as much as you want. You need about an ounce, but if you think that's gonna be too salty or something like that, you definitely can add little by little. So I'm gonna add about half of the pack here, and then I'm gonna stir it up after I get it out the microwave. So you wanna put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, just to soften the cream cheese a bit. So after you pull it out the microwave, you just wanna stir it up so you can mix the sauce, the dressing, and the cream cheese. So you wanna mix the cream cheese and you wanna mix the Fiesta dressing. So now that it's mixed, we're gonna move on to the next step. So now we're gonna get into the fun parts. You wanna make sure that your board is nice and clean. You see, I've wiped mine completely off, or you can omit the board completely and just use your counter. Today I chose to use my board. And you want to lay your aluminum foil down. Take your wrap, and the first thing you want to start doing is rubbing on that cream cheese. You want to get every part of the wrap. And however thick or thin you would like them to be, as far as the cheese goes on, is your choice. After spreading on the cream cheese mixture, you want to go ahead and add in those vegetables and that cheese that you previously mixed together. And then you want to add in your meats. And once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and start rolling it up. So just roll it tight. Make sure it's in there. Okay? So once you have it rolled pretty tight, you want to fold the aluminum over and roll it on in. Okay? Fold the ends. And it's ready to go in the fridge. Alright, so once you're done filling up and rolling up the tortillas, you want to go ahead and put them into the refrigerator. Our ingredients made 6 large tortilla rolls, okay? So now we're going to put them in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. You can leave them in overnight if you'd like, but at least 2 hours in the refrigerator so they can settle and get cold, okay? Let's go ahead and put them in the fridge. I'll be back after 2 hours.
2 hours later.
All right, you guys, I am back. It's been 2 hours since they've been sitting in the fridge. They're nice and settled and pretty chilly. And so now we're going to cut them up. Cut them about a ½ inch to an inch. It's totally up to you which size you want to use or how big or how small you want to cut them, but I usually cut them about ½ inch to an inch. I also have some toothpicks that I'm going to use, colorful toothpicks, for a nice little touch. All right, so let's go ahead and get started and get to cutting. Now, when you cut, you want to cut off the end, okay? That's the little ugly part. You want to cut that off, put it to the side, and you eat it, okay? You can eat it to yourself, all right? So let's cut the ends off first. put that to the side, and then we're gonna start cutting them up. All right, you guys, so they are all cut and ready to serve. I put the little pretty toothpicks in so that people can just pick them right on up and chow down, okay? Because these are really good. So if you want to see more videos like this, definitely like and subscribe to our channel so you can see all the other things that we're going to be bringing your way. Also, make sure you comment below and let us know what you would like us to cook. Until next time.